everyone, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. So I already did my skin prep off camera and I'll proceed with foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Vee Beauty foundation in the shade Caramel Pie. I really love this foundation so much because it gives a very soft matte finish.
Is your favorite color blue? Cause you something like my crib tonight. I think I want you to maybe meet me at my crib tonight. Might not be the one, but I'm definitely the prototype. Let's get down and get it on the floor. Wanna be a friend, you can keep. I wanna be a friend, you can keep.
Next, I'm using a setting spray to spray on my face before I start blending. This helps to make my foundation blend easier and also helps to give it a skin-like finish. I'll proceed to use a damp beauty sponge to further blend. This helps to remove any streaks or harsh line from the foundation brush. Using the same setting spray I used earlier, I'll use it to spray my face. Now this helps to lock my foundation in. It's also very important to let the spray dry down properly before you proceed to the next step. For blush, I'm gonna mix the pink and red shade in the Eye Magic lip palette. You wanna apply these at the amples of your cheeks and make sure you blend properly, okay? Blend properly. Next is concealer, and I'm using 2 shades of concealer. I'll apply the one closer to my skin shade first on my highlighted areas, and I'll proceed to use the lighter shade to add a little bit of brightness under my eye. After blending your concealers, the next thing you want to do is set them in place using a setting powder. I'm using the one from Merak in the shade Cinnamon. Now I'll proceed to use a powder puff. You want to make sure you dust off excess powder from the powder puff before you proceed to set. You want to make sure you gently set all those areas where you applied your concealer. That is underneath your eyes, your forehead, your nose, your chin, and your cupid bow. After setting your highlighted areas, you want to make sure you set your face using a compact powder that is your exact skin shade. Next is bronzer, and I'm using the Juvias Place bronzer. I'm going to apply the darker shade around my cheekbones, along my forehead, and I'm also going to use it to define my nose.
Is your favorite color blue? 'Cause you something like my crib tonight. I think I want you to maybe meet me at my crib tonight. Might not be the one, but I'm definitely the prototype. Let's get down and get it on the floor. Wanna be a friend you can keep. I 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 was trying to jump your bones, we don't gotta jump the boom, you know. Might be across the room, but it probably be super close. Emphasis to go, just to call it the horoscopes. Looking like
Next is blush, and I'm gonna mix these two shades. Always apply your blush at the amples of your cheeks. That means you want to apply your blush slightly above your cheekbones, okay? Slightly above your cheekbones. And I'm gonna use what's left from my brush just at the tip of my nose.
wanna be a friend you can keep.
I want to add a little bit of brightness underneath my eye. I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. I can't remember the shade I used, but I'll check it out and leave the names of products in the description box down below. So do well to check it out, okay?
I wanna be a friend you can keep.
I'm using the Morphe setting spray. This helps to break down the powdery effect and also help your makeup sink into your skin, giving it a skin-like finish.
I wanna be a friend you can keep.
Once your setting spray is dried, the next step is to bake. I'm using the same setting powder I used earlier to bake. You want to be gentle and light-handed when baking, okay?
I wanna be a friend you can keep. Friend you can keep. If you see me, yeah, friend you can keep.
I'm so sorry guys, I did my brows and eyeshadow off camera. Let me know in the comment section if you need a tutorial on that, and I'll do well to make a detailed tutorial for you guys, okay? Using the same Eye Magic lip palette, I'm gonna use the brown shade in the palette to line my lips, and I'll proceed to use the nude shade in the palette. using a small fluffy brush to dust off excess powder from the bake we did earlier. I applied a little more blush and I proceeded to set my face with a setting spray. I'm using a nude gloss from Beauty Line by Didi. You want to be very careful when applying your gloss because you wouldn't want the brown lip liner to stain the nude. So be very gentle and precise when applying your gloss. This is the finished look. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you made it to the end of this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!